Hello and welcome to New Tool Tuesday, a series where we share some of the latest tools and equipment released in the industry. Each week we highlight new tools added to our website, Vehicle Service Pros, to help you stay informed on new releases. This week we have 5 exciting tools to share with you. Our first tool is the ALLDATA Shop Manager Pro, which is a shop management solution designed to handle demanding workloads for growing auto repair businesses. Fully integrated with ALLDATA Repair and Collision, Shop Manager Pro lets shops add parts and labor in line with fewer clicks within the shop management system while managing jobs, parts, technicians, and customers, with features like attachable photos and videos, two-way texting, work in progress tracking, technician time reporting, and inventory management. Next is the ProStep 2 heavy-duty shop step platform from Steck Manufacturing, which has a 53-inch height for optimal elevation for diagnostics, brake, and suspension work. The ergonomic handle has a 20-inch height with a 1.25-inch grip and a 5.91-inch radius. The step platform has a 29-inch base width, which fits easily between vehicles, lifts, and tool stations in crowded shop environments. Equipped with wheels for transport, Diamond Plate Step surface delivers traction and reducing slip risks in oily or wet conditions. Our third tool is the GripEdge Tools 9-piece RPT long metric hex key set, which is designed for deep or obstructed metric hex fasteners requiring extended reach and angled access. The patented RPT ball hex geometry allows for superior grip and a 20-degree pivot capability. The extra long bar length gives the user enhanced reach in recessed applications. Constructed from S2 tool steel with black manganese finish, features a round bar design with knurled section for positive grip in wet or oily conditions. Next is the Cosmetic Dent Repair Workstation, which is designed as an all-in-one solution for light cosmetic dent repair. The CDR1 is a versatile, value-packed repair cart that enables technicians to efficiently perform professional repairs on small to medium auto body damage. Finally, our last tool is the Calvan Tools 20-inch rolling head pry bar, which is designed with a curved head design that ensures easy access in tight areas. Machined head and a hardened tip allow users to strike the head if needed. Features a black oxide finish to resist rust and corrosion. Thanks so much for joining me today for New Tool Tuesday. As always, if any of these products piqued your interest, give us a shout on our socials. Keep your eyes peeled for new products featured in both our newsletter and print issues by following the links below. See you next week.